Hello students, in my last video I have told you how to form image using concave mirror. Okay, now let's start our second section, that is how to make image formation using convex mirror. So image formation by convex mirror is the topic for today's video. Firstly, we have to deal about its nature. As in previous video I have told you that in case of concave mirror the nature was converging, but in case of convex mirror the nature is diverging mirror. So the nature is diverging mirror. Rays after reflection from mirror will not move towards principal axis. They will move away from principal axis. These are certain points that you have to keep in mind so as to make the concept clear. Away from principal axis. If the ray is parallel to the principal axis before reflection, it will pass through principal focus. If it is passing through principal focus before reflection, then after reflection it will become parallel. If it is passing through center of curvature, then it will retrace its path. And the last one, if it is incidenting on the aperture at any point, then you have to follow law of reflection, that angle I equals angle R. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so these are certain points that we have to follow while making image using convex mirror. Okay, so convex mirror, how to draw? This one is our spherical part of a sphere, that is termed as spherical. Inward polish, now it will become convex. स्टूडेंट्स किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की इफ यू वांट टू सी द इमेज देन यू हैव टू कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट towards reflecting surface. This one is our reflecting surface and this one is our polished surface. Okay, so as we know that for the image formation to take place, we have to keep our object towards the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface means towards this side. So I am turning my mirror. Instead of drawing it in this way, I will draw in this manner so that my object is kept towards this, towards reflecting surface. Okay, so first one क्या है? We have to keep the object location. When object is located at infinity, at infinite distance object is locating, we have to draw its image. So I am drawing mirror first. This one is part of a sphere, so termed as spherical. Inward polish. Okay, name is M and midpoint is pole. Before spherical, it was a part of a sphere whose center is known as center of curvature. Ray passing through pole and center of curvature is termed as principal axis. Now object is located at infinity. As I have told you in my previous video that if the object is located at infinity, it means rays coming are parallel to each other. Okay, it means rays coming are parallel. These three are considered as incident ray. Now, as rays are parallel to each other, In between P and C there is a point that is termed as focus. Rays are parallel to each other, so after reflection, following this rule, they will pass through focus. But our mirror is convex mirror. Convex mirror means what? It is diverging mirror, diverging in nature. So rays will move away from principal axis. It means they will not move towards this, they will move away from principal axis. appear, वो हमें appear होंगी कि इस focus में से pass हो रही है. So आप क्या करेंगे? यूजिंग स्केल यू विल ज्वाइन दीज टू पॉइंट्स. आप इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे इन दिस वे. ओके, इट मीन्स व्हाट? रेज आर appearing to pass through focus. Same is this side. Okay, but when we will, as we are observing that they are moving in outward direction in expanded way, and this one ray is passing through center of curvature, so it will retrace its path. So as to distinguish these three rays, I am marking here 2 arrow and 3 arrow. Okay, these three rays after reflection not actually meeting, असली में नहीं मिल रहे, not actually meeting, it means they are appears to be met. They appear to meet at a point focus. It means not actually meeting but appear to meet at focus. Okay, it means what will be the image detail? Image detail, size. What is the size of image now, students? As the image is formed at a point, it means highly diminished. Highly diminished, बहुत छोटी है. Next one is its location, or I am mentioning here position of image at focus. Okay, and third one is what is the nature of image? Nature, it means real or virtual. It is virtual image, virtual and erect. Okay, so these are the image detail for the object located at infinity. Second case, that is when object is not located at infinity, it means object is located at finite distance. हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ लोकेट किया? फाइनाइट डिस्टेंस पे लोकेट किया फ्रॉम मिरर. मिरर से वो एक फिक्स डिस्टेंस पर है, फाइनाइट डिस्टेंस पे है. अगेन आई हैव टू ड्रॉ convex mirror in the similar manner so as to keep its polished layer towards right M, and this one is the pole. Before spherical, it was a part of a sphere whose center is known as center of curvature. In between P and C there is a point that is F. Okay, now image is located at certain finite distance. Let us say this one is our object AB. Object is located at finite distance. We have to trace for image. Okay, so for the image consideration, I have to consider any two rays. First ray is parallel to principal axis, appear to pass through focus, being diverging nature, ये फैलेगी away from principal axis. Okay, and it means it appears to coming from focus. Now the second one that if a ray is passing through center of curvature, then it will retrace its path. जैसे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे गई, इट मीन्स आगे तो जाएगी नहीं, यहीं से ये क्या करेगी? appears to going towards center of curvature, it means it will retrace its path. These two rays are meeting at a point. एक पॉइंट पर वो क्या कर रहे हैं, मीट कर रहे हैं, और जहां पर वो मीट कर रहे हैं द रेज वर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए, सो इट विल बी ए डैश, and a point normal to principal axis from A is B, so a point normal to principal axis from A dash will be B dash. So what will be the image detail, students? नंबर 1 साइज, साइज तो छोटा हो गया बट वहां तो पॉइंट साइज हो रहा था, इट मीन साइज इज डिमिनिश्ड बट नॉट हाईली डिमिनिश्ड. ओके, सेकंड वन, व्हाट इज द पोजीशन. पोजीशन क्या है, P एंड F के बीच में, इट मीन्स बिटवीन P एंड F. ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट नेचर. The rays are not actually meeting at this position, they appear to meet. It means nature is virtual and erect. Okay, so for any case not at infinite, the object may be located at any point. For all the cases the result is same. What is the result? That size is diminished between P and F and virtual and erect. So there are only two types of image formation in case of convex mirror. Okay, so let's do some conclusion from examination point of view. If you want to discuss all types of mirror, it means I have to consider three mirrors: plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. In case of plane mirror, image is virtual and erect and size is equal to the size of object. So size is equal. Now second case is, let's easy एक बारी हम पहले discuss करते हैं. Second one is our convex, and in convex we have discussed just now that image is diminished. Diminished means small size, and virtual and erect. So if I ask you a question, name the mirror used to get erect image of same size, of small size, of large size, which mirror will you use? Okay, the question is name the mirror used to get erect image of same size. Same size में अभी आपने पढ़ा equal size, virtual and erect image. Which one mirror is used? Plane mirror. Okay, of small size, erect image of small size. Small size, virtual and erect image, convex mirror. And concave mirror with the special case, when I have told you concave mirror special case, I have marked their star. It is very important rule in which when we locate the object between pole and principal focus, the image is virtual, erect and enlarged, large size की image. So for large size erect image you will require concave mirror. Questions are appearing to be similar but not actually. If size same, plane. size small, convex, size large, concave. If I am asking inverted image, for all the cases in which image was inverted, that was using concave mirror only. Okay, now let's start second question. What is the possible value of m for concave, convex and plane mirror, where m means magnification? Solution: m, that is equal to height of image to the height of object, size of image to the size of object. Okay, now for first case, number 1, concave mirror. As in concave mirror, I have discussed 6 cases. In all the cases, size of image was different. In some position, object is placed so as to get the image of equal size, that is center of curvature. It means when object is located at center of curvature, size of image is equal to size of object. In that case, magnification will be 1. Okay, it means अगर आप C पे रखेंगे तो magnification 1. अगर आप बियॉन्ड सी रखेंगे, दूर है, तो मैग्निफिकेशन की वैल्यू लेस देन 1, क्योंकि इमेज कैसी बन रही थी, डिमिनिश्ड. ओके, अगर आप बिटवीन एफ एंड सी रखेंगे तो इमेज लार्ज बन रही है, सो एम विल बी ग्रेटर देन 1. अगर आप उसे पी एंड एफ में रखेंगे, अगेन एम इज ग्रेटर देन 1. इमेज कैसी बनेगी, enlarged. In both the cases m is greater than 1, but in this case when object is located between f and c, the image was real and inverted. But in this case when m is greater than 1, between p and f, the image was virtual and erect. So for the concave mirror, m may have less than 1, equal to 1 or greater than 1. It all depends upon the position of object. Okay, so the second case is convex mirror. So I must write here m depends upon location of object. Okay, second case, that is convex mirror. You have done right now in the same video that image is always small than that of object. Okay, m is less than 1. And third case, plane mirror. Daily you use to view your image in plane mirror, which gives size of image equal to size of object, so magnification is greater than 1. Okay, so this was the question for magnification. Third question, sign of m. m का क्या sign है? Possible cases of magnification sign is positive and negative. If it is positive, it means image is virtual and erect. If it is negative, the image is real and inverted. So these were certain image formation that you have done for convex mirror. convex mirror, how to draw. First I have guided you. Then two cases, infinite and not at infinite, it means at some finite distance. Then finally I have given you the consideration of various questions so as to distinguish between different types of mirrors. Okay, so if you are having any query, you may ask me, you may comment in comment box. If you like the video, strike the like button. Subscribe the channel to get more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.